Hi guys, welcome back to our channel Talk About Tutorial, and in this tutorial we are going to talk about redo on Wix.com. Guys, if you created any of change on your website and you've deleted that activity by mistake and now you want to redo it, then how will you do? Just look at the top of the screen. Here you will see the arrow which is turned about right side, and once you keep the cursor on it, the pop-up will appear on the screen. Here you can see written text redo. So guys, this is the section I want to delete. I am going to delete it, and I've deleted the section, and now I'm going to undo it. So same as you can do redo this activity by pressing this arrow which is turned about right side. Once you keep the cursor on it, then you will see the text over it, and just simply click on it and you will see that will be completely redo. So guys, this is how to redo on Wix.com. Hope you like this video. Thank you so much. Good luck.